Hi, everyone. This is Nettie Morris, the insurance professional, and I wanted to come on today with a quick insurance tip for today. So, as I'm out and about and talking to people, um, I hear all kinds of things, all kinds of stories, all kinds of questions. And one of the ones that I get, and I get on a continuous basis, is hey, I got this. Or I know somebody who has that in terms of an illness. And I can't get any insurance, right? Or they can't get any insurance. And so, of course, I listen to them. And after listening to them, I tell them more than likely I can help that individual. And I say that because I am a broker and I deal with a multitude of companies, and each insurance carrier has different underwriting standards, if you will. So underwriting is where they look at an individual in terms of their health, their age, their height, their weight. They take a lot of factors into consideration and make a determination as to whether they think that individual is a good risk to take on. Okay? So, oftentimes, especially people who are diabetic, believe that, oh, I can't get insurance. It's not true. It's not true. Oh, I have hypertension. I can't get insurance. It's not true. It's not true. There is, hi Danny, there is an insurance carrier out here for you, believe it or not. Now, with insurance, you can get immediate coverage. So what does that mean? Say you take out a final expense policy to cover your burial, etc., for $20,000. All right? You're in good health, etc. According to the insurance company, if you take the policy out today, say you die a year from now, they will pay your family the full amount, that $20,000. Yes, yes. Now, some people who have conditions that make them a higher risk in terms of the insurance company's thought processes, in terms of underwriting, okay? The insurance company will say, hey, you take out this $20,000 final expense policy, and if you pass away a year from now, what we will do is we will pay your family all of the premiums, hey Hillary, all of the premiums that you have paid into this policy for this past year, plus interest. And so the interest, I've seen it vary from insurance companies from 6% to 10% interest. So somebody might say, well, Nettie, why would I do that? Well, I'll tell you this. Most people do not have the discipline to continuously put up the money into the bank and not touch it, not look at it for their final expenses, their burial expenses. They just don't have the discipline. And in addition to that, at a bank, you are not going to get 6% interest on your money. You're not. You're not going to get 10% interest on your money. You're not. So, it behooves you to take out the policy, and if you have one of those conditions where the insurance company says, well, we're going to insure you, but we're going to do it like this. You pass away a year from now, we'll give you your premiums all of your premiums that you put into it, so you don't lose anything, plus the 10% interest or the 6% interest. So I just want you guys to know, to recap, that even if you have a pre-existing condition, you can get insurance. It just depends upon the carrier whether they will offer you an immediate benefit or what we call in the industry a graded benefit, where and usually they put a cap on it. So it may be 2 years for the graded benefit, where they say you pass away within these 2 years, we'll return all of your premiums, we'll give that back to your family, plus interest. And then after those 2 years, we'll give you the full $20,000. So it just depends. But just know this: there is an insurance product out here for you. You just need to talk to a licensed insurance professional, and preferably either myself or someone else who has access, is a broker, has access to a multitude of companies and products that they can offer you. Yes. So that's my insurance tip for today. I will let you know that I am licensed in 8 states right now. Okay, so I'm licensed in Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Michigan, Missouri, the great state of Texas, Virginia, and Georgia. I am licensed in those states and would be happy to give you a free insurance consultation. Hit me up, inbox me. I'll be happy to talk to you. If you know someone who I can help, because there are a lot of people out here who need help, I'll be happy to talk to them. Happy. Take care. This was my insurance tip for today.